Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to change your language in Meesho application. To change the language in Meesho, first of all, open up the Meesho application to launch the app open on your mobile device, and then from the home page after logging in, tap on account at the bottom right. Inside the account menu, go ahead and tap on Change Language right next to Help Center. Now from the Change Languages option, you'll see a list of languages such as English, Hindi, Marathi, etc. Choose the language you want to switch to, and there you go. That is how you easily change your language setting on Meesho application. You can always repeat the process and select a different language of your choice whenever you want. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more easy tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.